Register to become a vendor at the Sounds of Africa Festival 2.0 for free of charge. Whether you have free resources to sell African food, clothing, jewelry, accessories or other products or services to sell or give away, the Sounds of Africa Festival is the place to be at on August 17. Whether you own a restaurant, a grocery store, real estate business, hair salon, beauty supply store or any other type of business, this is the perfect place to promote your business or sell your products to over 1,000 people, including Africans and the greater Washingtonian community for free of charge. To sign up for one of our 50 booths, fill out our vendor's application form or contact WAWAG on 425-758-3269 or 253-235-3962 or email us on info@wawag.org or visit www.wawag.org. Remember, the event is on Saturday, 17 August 2024 from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Garfield Park. Sounds of Africa Festival, bringing African food, music and fashion to Washington State. Be there or nowhere.